Hello students, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video lecture, I am going to briefly discuss the detailed syllabus for first core course from computer science. The first core course from computer science is problem solving using computer with course code COMP101TH. It is a practical based subject, so we will have practicals related to Python language. So coming to the detailed syllabus, in unit 1 the first part is about computer fundamentals, in which we know about introduction to computers, characteristics of computers, uses of computer, and types of computers with special reference to the various generations of computer systems. The second part in unit 1 is basic computer organization, in which units of computer will be discussed and brief discussion about CPU, ALU, memory hierarchy, registers, and input output devices. Now coming to unit second, again from fundamentals of computers. In this unit we will basically deal with the software part. So first topic is about planning of a computer program, in which concept of problem solving, how problems are framed, how they are solved, how they are designed, and after designing, how errors are being debugged, what are the various types of error. All these topics will be discussed under planning the computer program. The other part is technique of problem solving, in which we will know about flowcharting, decision table algorithm, structure programming concept, programming methodologies. These are of two types, top down and bottom up programming. So this is from fundamental hardware and software side. Now in unit 3 you will be taught about the programming, and here in this subject we will learn programming using Python. So in first topic of unit 3, a brief overview of programming is given, in which we discuss structure of Python program, element of Python, and second part introduction to Python interpreter using Python calculator, Python shell, identification, atoms, identifiers, keywords, literal strings, etc. These basic things of programming language will be discussed. And in second part we will create some program using Python. Now coming to the last unit, in the last unit we will learn about structures, numbers, strings, list, tuples, dictionary, date and time, modules, defining function, exit function, default arguments in context of Python language. And in second part of unit 4 we will know about introduction to advanced Python, in which we will learn how to use object classes, inheritance, regular expression, event driven programming, and graphical user programming. The book which is the main thing you have to follow is Computer Fundamentals by PK Sinha and Preeti Sinha, BPB publication. This book is very important from competitive examination point of view. The most of the general questions asked from basic computer science are from this book. So now coming to the practical part, In practical part, we will have a software lab using Python, again which is divided into two sections. The section A will cover simple programs. You can see all the 7 programs, and in section 2 we will program study program using Visual Python. These here the output will be on graphic based pattern. Hope the overview of syllabus is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.